Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to make chia seed pudding. For that the ingredients which I have are 3/4 cup of chia seeds, 1 apple, 3/4 glass of boiled milk, well boiled milk. I have 2 dates, 1 big spoon of raisins, 2 spoons of white sugar and half a glass of water. Now in the first step I will be adding 2 spoons of white sugar in 3/4 cup of water and I'll dissolve it. Then I will be adding the 3/4 cup of chia seeds and I'll be soaking it for 4 hours. These are chia seeds. They are filled with nutrients and are excellent source of iron and calcium. They are also easily available in many of the markets.
3/4 cup of sugar water. Wash the chia seeds with the help of filter and mix it.
In the next step, I'll be taking a blending jar and I'll be pouring 3/4 cup of milk along with 2 dates. I have chopped it and removed the seeds. We'll blend this. After soaking the chia seeds for 4 to 5 hours in the sugar water, I'll be transferring it into a larger container along with the prepared dates milk and I also have here chopped apple. I'll be putting it. We'll mix them. At last, I'll also be adding 1 big spoon of raisins. I have poured the prepared chia seed mixture into an airtight box. I will close this and refrigerate it for 2 to 3 hours in the freezer. After freezing 2 to 3 hours, our pudding, let us open it. You can have a look. Now let me serve it. For that, I have a serving bowl. In that, I have coated a layer with sugar and freezed it. Now let's put our prepared pudding in the serving bowl. Now I have prepared homemade ice cream. We'll garnish with that. Before that, we'll be putting some grated chocolate for garnishing. And then we'll be taking our prepared homemade ice cream. You can also buy it from shop. Now let me keep the ice cream. This ice cream is optional. Now let me keep some chocolate. And then we'll be garnishing it with some chocolate. Now our chia seed pudding is ready. Please try this recipe in your home and tell me how is its taste in the comment box below. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Sidhura's Infotainment. Thank you.